1970 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And does this truck have a good look to it? I'd say it's a little more on the resto mod side of things. 5.3 liter LS1 engine underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, four-wheel disc brakes, all four corners. This paint, I kind of consider it kind of a smoky blue, a slate blue. Great color in this truck, and then the off-white lower rockers, that orange pinstripe dividing it, coming around in the color-keyed front bumper. Take a look at the bright work, headlight surrounds, the grille in this truck. Very nice shape. And it should be. This restoration was a frame off and was finished within the last 6 months. Little over, 2,300 miles, I believe it shows on the odometer since it was built. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. First, still pictures. Check out the underside, engine bay, bed of it, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on US Mags wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see how straight these panels are. How nice that paint is laid on there. What a cool color combination. Just something you don't see every day. The bed of it has a matching spray and liner as far as color goes. Give you a peek at this interior. Beautiful custom seat in it. Kind of a saddle, diamond inlay pattern, a little bit of pinstriping. This interior really accentuates the exterior of this truck, and vice versa, really. How cool is that? Listen to that door close. Don't sound like that anymore. Look how nice it fits too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email them. Look at how straight that panel is from the rear to the front. Let's take a look at the rear, speaking of which. This looks like an old school 1970 Chevy from behind till you see the rest of it. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these 70s vintage pickups, whether it be Chevrolet, Ford, what have you, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. It's kind of a prime example right here. True dual exhaust, front to rear. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Very end of this video, Jason will take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Let's go ahead and take a look at this driver's side. Again, you can see the paint's free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Nice shine to it. Great truck for your local shows. Guarantee you this one will take home some trophies. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. The door panels to match. Rear ended in the truck, 373 gears. Is posi. Wanted to mention that. We do have tilt column. Aftermarket gauges, so we will check the odometer on that since it was built. That's when those were put in. It does have a touch screen Alpine, I believe it is, stereo system with a backup camera. After the build or during the build, the speakers were not finished in it, left it for the next customer, however they want to do the speakers. If you want to put them down the kick panels, if you want to do something under the seats, behind the seat. But the Alpine stereo is there, powers up. Cool looking dash pad, of course, to match the bench seat. Seat belts intact, new carpeting. You have an EFI controller. Again, that 5.3 liter. So let's go ahead and turn the key on. So Dakota digital dash. Here's your miles right down here. Let's make sure. I think I can click through. Odometer miles, 2344. You can see that. So that's since it was built. There's your Alpine touchscreen with backup camera. Of course, great throttle response with that fuel injection. Hey, listen to this. Sounds good. Let me slip up to the front. I want to pause this real quick. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. Again, automatic with overdrive transmission in that LS1. So this truck's made to go down the road, folks. Let's check it out. Jason will take it for a drive and show you how it goes down the road at the end of this video. Underside of the hood finished as nicely as the exterior of this truck. And here it is. So aluminum radiator, as you can see, power brakes, looks like a new brake booster and master cylinders. We do have headers. Those are true dual exhaust, power steering. A little cold air intake over here. But just nice, clean, tidy engine bay. And it sounds good and looks good. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those pics, see the underside. Gorgeous. Restomod 1970 Chevrolet C10, regular cab, short box. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car
Here we
today.
have a 1970 Chevrolet C10. Customized just a bit in all the right ways. It's lowered a little bit, wheels a little bigger. Powerful engine with Phytech. We have a Phytech controller for fuel injection. Awesome gauges. Waiting for a little bit of traffic. First thing I noticed was, of course, the paint scheme, and then the seat also carried through with that dash color. Kind of a saddle color, maybe a leather color. Sorry I got on it a little late there, but that was a fun little raspy note. This truck gets up and goes very well. We'll check that out again after the roundabout that's up ahead. Very nice road feel. I'd definitely call it a sport truck at this point. Great stance and nice and low. We've got a engine temperature of 185, oil pressure about 50 psi. The fuel tank is showing over a half a tank, and the volts are at 14. Those are right on the dash in the original gauge locations. And in the center, it's telling me the engine temperature is exactly 182 degrees right now. And we can flick through some other stats with the toggle under the dash. Brakes feel very good. Steering nice and tight. Suspension nice and tight. This truck stays flat in the corners. Let's hit the throttle again. Oh yeah, sounds great. Sounds like a race truck. Not overly loud, but just sounds mean. Well done, truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1970 C10 at uniqueclassiccars.com.